Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Geopipe 3D New York City, the whole city of the 3D models from the New York City into Autodesk Maya 2022. And start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. The Geopipe already released the whole New York City's 3D models. It allows you to crop and extract any part of the New York City's 3D models to export it. So first, what you're going to do is just scroll down, go to my video description, go and get the Geopipe. I already published a link at there. This is the Geopipe official website's link. Open by using the browser. In this Geopipe, you have to make sure you sign up by using your email address. It is free. After you successfully sign up, then you have to log in into the Geopipe. Now you can see the New York City is here. You can just scroll up until it approach the city. Then use your mouse middle button to rotate it. Then turn on the model preview. Make sure 3 of these already highlighted blue color. And from this moment, you have to wait for a while until it finishes loading. Now, 6 items remaining. Always look at here, 6 items remaining. You have to wait until everything loaded. You should be able to see all the 3D models already. At here, you can include all the buildings, the street objects, and also the trees, etc. And also the roads and terrain. Now, 4 remaining. You have to wait for a while. Now you can see everything already loaded. This is the whole territory, the terrain. If you want to move, you can use your mouse right button to move it. This is the real New York City. Included a lot of the buildings and also trees, terrain, etc. So in order to extract the 3D models from here, what you are going to do is just select the regions by using the rectangle selector, click, then drag inside the terrain, then release your mouse, move to somewhere, this is a rectangle, then have a click. You can see this area already gets selected. Then, or you can reselect it. Right. Then click confirm. The output file is the Autodesk FBX used for editing. You can click download the model. Click confirm. Now it is downloading and not yet. You have to wait until it gives you the download link at here. Just wait for a while. It is processing. Once you see the download ready, click here to download your file. Just click on here. Then, download at somewhere that's convenient for you. I choose the desktop. As demo, I'm going to download this zip file on my desktop. Click save. Start downloads. Now, once successfully downloaded, this is a zip file. You have to right-click it, then extract all to make sure it is extracted. And always remember, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export the Geopipe New York City, any part of the New York City's 3D models from Geopipe, and import into the Autodesk Maya 2022 to make it become a 3D scene in Autodesk Maya. It is just pretty simple. Now this is the Autodesk Maya. I'm going to just create a new scene. I don't save this. This is a fresh new project. Then The easiest way is just drag in the FPS model into Maya and wait for a while. Now it is importing. It may take a few seconds to maybe 2 minutes. It depends on your computer speed and also your graphic cards, your GPU's quality. Now it is still loading. Now you can see it already successfully loaded. And then from here, I'm going to scroll. Then I hold the alternate. I turn on the texture here. You can see the New York City's 3D model. It already imported. It can be your 3D animations scene, or you can remodel it. All of these are 3D models. Alright, now we already successfully imported a New York City's buildings and terrain into the Autodesk Maya 2022. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you.